Now we want to work on book detail. If I go to SQL Server, let me examine book table does not have any book detail ID, but in our book detail, we have the book detail ID which is primary key, but we also have foreign key for the book ID. With that, let me go back to the code and what we have for observed get and post. Let me copy and paste that one more time here. I will rename that to be details. For the book detail, we have the get and we have the post action method. In the details here, we are retrieving the view model. We do not need the publisher anymore, so we can remove that. We just have the book view model, retrieve book, and we will pass that. When we work with book details, the ID always has to be populated. So rather than returning to the view, we will return to not found if that is not the case. The ID is populated, we retrieve the book for which we want book details and we pass that to be displayed in the view. If you examine the book view model by pressing F12 inside book, we already have a book detail object right there. So we can retrieve that and we can display that in an input field to capture the values for book detail. Before I work on the post action method right here, let me create the detail view. I will stop the application, add view, razor view. Let me add that and go back to the snippets. We will copy the book detail, go back to the application, paste it right here. Perfect, we have the view model that looks good here. Let me run the application. We go to book here and click on detail. Perfect, we have the title here which is spider without duty. Now how we got the title here? If you examine where we are displaying title, we are retrieving that from the book object and everything else is in book detail. So perfect, with that our book detail page is loading successfully. Let's work on updating that in the next video.